think the first thing is really engaging the entire organization, at least all the key stakeholders, hierarchically, functionally, that actually brings out multiple perspectives from the organization as a whole. So I think the one big thing was the ability to actually harness information from different functions and therefore engage the whole organization, and particularly if those people are influencers in terms of opinion in the rest of the organization, then it also helps to percolate that subsequently.
I really admire the way in which concepts which are complex to manage organizations and the ones that can help them create actually those 4 bottom lines. All founders, everybody really wants to do that. Unfortunately, you do not have the capacity and the capabilities to do that. And I'm so excited to have this CEO Forum to really take these challenges up, and give very small steps to lead us to the high goals that we all always cherish.
I was very skeptical about it. I thought I knew all about management. I have read so many books. So what's new that they are going to teach us? But by the end of the day, I was completely in love with the principles of Dr. Adizes, the way Harpreet conducted the session, and I realized that this is for us. And we took a decision that we will engage with Adizes.
It's a transitional shift from, if I have to put it in parlance, you have a single fish. I can adapt as a single fish to the changing currents in the ocean. Whereas if the organization becomes, rather than a single fish, to a school of fish, are we all going in different directions, dragging the net along? Are we working as a school of fish so that when change happens, we can instantaneously change direction and course and make things happen fast? That is what got me interested, and that's why I came here. And what I found in Adizes methodology is to make more than one individual, more than one mind relate to each other and work so synergistically to make change happen. I need to have a chemistry to happen between the individuals that are working together. And that chemistry, what I found was mutual trust and respect, which is as an outcome of how we work, how the school of fish kind of work to make this change happen so that they can navigate the currents of the ocean, which is the competitive landscape. That's what got me interested.